Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect GameSir G7 SE to iPhone. First, it is important to understand that the GameSir G7 SE is not officially compatible with iPhones or other iOS devices. This controller was designed as a wired controller specifically for Xbox consoles and Windows PCs. Some users still try to connect the controller to an iPhone using adapters. If you have an older iPhone with a Lightning port, people sometimes try using a USB camera adapter. The idea is to plug the controller's USB cable into the adapter and then connect the adapter to the iPhone. In theory, this should allow the phone to detect the controller. For newer iPhone models like the iPhone 15 or later that use USB-C, users sometimes try using a high-quality USB-C hub or adapter. The controller is plugged into the hub, and the hub connects to the phone. Even with these adapters, most iPhones still fail to recognize the controller inputs. The phone may provide power to the controller, but iOS usually does not detect it as a usable game controller. You may also find community suggestions online that involve holding certain buttons while connecting the controller. For example, some people suggest holding the menu button together with the Xbox button before plugging the controller in. These tricks attempt to force the controller into a different input mode. However, these methods are unreliable and often do not work with modern iOS versions. Thanks for watching.